Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC clutch relay is on this 2012 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So first thing we're going to do, pop our hood. Here under the hood. Go come over here to our under the hood fuse box and open this up, and this is our AC clutch relay right here. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot, and thanks for watching and have a good one.